welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to talk about my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm not quite there yet, but I'm really close, so I wanted to get a jump on this so that I have it ready when I do hit it and I can announce a winner. So what is the giveaway going to be? I'm going to be using Ooh La La Vintage Treasures Pink Parfait digital kit to make a cupcake doily. Cupcake doilies, they're probably, yeah, I would say my biggest and best selling item that I create. So I thought that I would do that. So let me show y'all what I'm using here. This is some of the Pink Parfait kit, and I will be using these images throughout. So pretty. I just love them. And then these are just some of the embellishments that will be used. Okay, and then of course my doilies and tons of appliques and jewels and all that. If you're new here and you haven't seen any of my cupcake doilies, definitely go look throughout my channel. You'll find a lot of them, and I hope that you love them. So what can you do to win this? First, you have to be a subscriber of my YouTube channel. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, and then let me know down in the comments, subscribed to YouTube. Okay? Now, to get an extra entry, so in other words, you have one if you've subscribed to my YouTube channel. To get an extra entry, share this either on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. Tag me in, you know, whatever it is that you do share. You can tag me by doing an @MarieWehofer or @Cupcakes, Pearls, and Lace, depending on who it is that you follow on whatever channel. So let me know, and that'll let me know that you have shared it, and then put subscribe to YouTube and shared to blah 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 blah, you know, Instagram, TikTok, or whatever, and those will get you extra entries in it. And y'all, please excuse my tumbling. I have not been awake for very long, so the brain isn't quite all there functioning. So anyway, yeah, that's all that there is to it. And for those of y'all that have been with me through all of this, thank you. If you have your own YouTube channel and are trying to grow it, then you know how big it is. If you don't, trust me, it's big, and we appreciate you so, so, so much. The subscribers, the comments, the likes, the shares, it all just means so much to us in our heart, and we're so grateful, and I'm so glad that you're here with me. And for all of those of y'all that are new, thank you, and I hope that you enjoy what you see, and I hope that I'm an inspiration to y'all. Well, I hope that, well, you know what, not, I don't hope, I know. We will all talk again soon, and I will see y'all later. Bye.